Katie here from Katie's World again. I hope you watched part 1 of this video. This is part 2. So thank you for joining me in part 2. So let's just keep right on going. We've got Goofy done. Pluto's almost done. We only have 3 pieces left for him, and well, a couple here to put in. The rocket we started. So let's go in and maybe add these pieces here, these little silver ones. So this doesn't go all the way in the corner on the right, because that little piece goes there. I'm having the hardest time picking these up today. I think my nail got cut a little short. All right. What I can't figure out is why there's all this extra black space right there. When I look at my picture, there's not extra black space. So I can't figure that out, but we're just gonna center it. Okay. I think that, well, no, see, that doesn't make sense because this will have to come down here. I see. Hold on. Wait a minute. This piece. Okay, okay. All right. Where it gets skinnier on one side, just barely, that's going to be on the left side. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue there. I think his helmet, I glued it all too tight together. Well, maybe not all of it, because the middle's okay. But maybe these little reds. I don't know. It's not really off by much, so I don't know. That's why, yeah, I'm just going to center. This is going to go here. See, we've got that black space. I think maybe this red. Yeah. So I apologize if this video is making you not want to put it together. But I promise you, when you're all done, it's so cute. It's worth it. It just is gonna take some time. Oh, let's get these in. Let's just do it. Let's just put them down. So I'm just gonna center it so that it's not like overly too much black on one side, but maybe just center nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one down. See, there's not supposed to be all this black gap right there. There's not supposed to be a gap there. But you know what? I think maybe the silver, maybe I glued the silver. Oops, I moved it too much. Maybe this whole thing is glued down too far, right to the edge. It looks like there's more of a black edge on my picture. That could be what's happening too. So, if you have a repositionable tape runner, maybe glue everything down very lightly with that. Once it's where you want it and perfect, then go in with the liquid glue or glue pen or whatever you're using and glue it down permanently, because all your spacing will be done. That's probably what I should have done. So, just a tip. There's not supposed to be that black gap there. No. Nope, nope, nope. I don't know if anybody would notice except for me, you know, saying something. I don't think it looks that horrible, but all right, right here gets something. These 3 pieces need to go in here strategically. All right. So I'm just gonna do this because, yeah, that there. And then let's put this right here. If I can pick it up. And I'm going to put the silver piece in here. I'm just going to center it. There was a little excess black around it, but I'm centering it, so hopefully it's not too noticeable. All right. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to give you a close-up on Pluto. Once again, you're going to want to glue this lighter red down just a little bit. Maybe what it is, because, yeah, because there is supposed to be a gap here on the photo, but not so much here. So maybe it's okay here. Maybe it needed to be angled down more.